More time, some people lie till you feel wonder to yourself, say, John, what could I really cause lie? What could I really cause this as somebody have to lie? So they make you pretty deep more lie about lie more time, and I wonder why how lie exists, how lie really even come up. Come and tell you, some people just lie, man. They lie for no reason at all. You ever see that people? Then just lie for 15. Then we just there one place and one argument come up and then just decide, say, alright, me have a 15 and this and so me I go with the crowd there so with them I see or whatever. And you not have to do that, man, because you will just end up look stupid sometimes for some simple little something. I just some simple something more time and then tell a lie in heart. You will just there somewhere in a group of people. And somebody just all say, ever play domino yet? And through your ear a couple people say, yes, them play just dead and just feel like, if say, yeah man, me play already. While what you need to say that for if you never play already, because if you never played domino, you just never played domino before. You understand? Then this one you just look like a big idiot for no reason. And next set of people now, then tell lie till you not have to ask them nothing. You don't have to bring nothing to them. You and them never have to have a conversation. Then we just all wake you up out of your bed with a lie. Then we call upon an emergency upon a lie. Then we just tell lie upon another somebody for no reason at all. Then we come up with something more time when you hear that and believe. When you hear that and believe that nobody can tell you nothing, say nothing, no go so. You understand? You have them type of liar that we are so serious type of liar. But may I tell us, you know, wicked is type where you have to run from. You have a set more time, man, where all if you and them ever do something already. You and them we all there somewhere. I want some anything when they are one place and people they are wild out and you personally know you see them they are clean steel at rampant and when you look the argument they come up and then they are one place and they must say no some ever do that yet or simple something. Somebody will say ever drink Lasco yet or if there's somewhere here one Lasco argument and people say alright me not like Lasco I want poor people something and true that now are you 15 you end up all I say no, sir, me never drink that yet. And you have to wonder to yourself, say, really? Oh, you have to say that on around week before last, me there one place and around 5 glasses and last come see a drink. Like, really? Well, I tell you, say, why? John, you must have to do a prayer for them, yeah, man. I tell you.